Thanks for thinking. Yes, friends. Welcome everyone for Qatar group meditation sessions. And just we finished our meditation session, and now I will share about today's topic. Today's topic is remember the boomerang effect. This topic I have taken from the book The Greatness Guide. Author is Robin Sharma. Along with this, I will share even my some few tips or experiences and some knowledge which I gained in few videos. I will share everything. Okay. Big idea. The very thing you most want to see more in your life is the very thing you need to give away. One who gives credit to others, you have to spread it like a wildfire. Give away what you most want. Give out what you most want to get back in life. This is boomerang effect. This is a very important sentence. Give out what you want most to get back in life. Want more understanding from others? Be more understanding and give out that first. Want more loyalty? Be the most loyal person you know. Watch what happens. You want more love? You have to give more love first. Most people just get in their own way and they sabotage their success. They let their fears keep them from greatness. They let their limitations become their chains. They become their own worst enemies. To get all that life wants for you, apply what I call this boomerang effect. Basically, he's telling the other what you want in life. First, you have to give it back to the society, whatever you want. That's very much important. More you give, more you get back. And what you give, you have to be very much cautious about it because you are getting back the same thing. Because it depends on you. Because you want love, first thing is you have to give love, show love to everyone. You automatically get same thing back. You are hating everyone, you are giving judgments, comments, always you are with those thoughts you are there. What happens when you are giving hatred everything everywhere? Same thing you get back in life, basically. And the energy or the what is the universal energy, we can use it in two ways. Either you can use it in the right way for the good things, or you can use it in a negative way for wrong things. Both things get manifested because universe doesn't know what is good and what is bad. For universe, it's only energy. That's it. How you're using energy is dependent here. If you're using it in the right way, you get back the good thing from that. If you're using it wrong way, you're getting same back. You have to face the consequences for everything, whatever is there. That's why you have to be very cautious how you're using it. Your words, your thoughts, your words, actions, all should align and go ahead in life. You are speaking unconscious something, you get back same thing in life. This is a boomerang only. What you throw the boomerang, it again comes back towards you. So be very cautious. In a mirror also, you are smiling. What happens? The mirror also has smiles back to you. If you are showing anger, the mirror also it shows the anger back to you. It's your own reflection which is getting projected that side. You are throwing a stone in the sky, it again comes back towards you only. Like that, this is very much important. And that's why be very cautious. What you're giving, you get back in life. And people think I don't have nothing, how I can give. That is the secret. First you have to give, then you get back. People think once like I get anything, then I'll give. That is the wrong psychology people. First you have to give, then you get back from the society or from the universe. Even whatever you're having, even some percentage to give also, it's very good. If you're having anything in surplus or abundant with you, and if you're giving something out of it, that is not the greatness. You are already in scarcity or you are in the lack. Out of that, you are trying to help people or you're giving something to the society. That is the greatness of person. Not when having surplus money, example, surplus money you're having. Then giving donation is not a great task. You are having very low salary, or example. Out of that also, you're trying to give something to society. That is the greatness. and the logic lies there only, because many think only when I get I will give. But secret is, first you have to give, then you get back in life. And the small things we have to apply in life, and we have to experiment, because our life is full of experiments only. You have to experiment, you get experience. After experience you gain the wisdom, knowledge. Again you experiment, make improvements, and go ahead in life. Life full is experiments and experiment and experience. I will share small example how this I also will try to apply. When I'm driving car, what happens? I'm on the main road, I'm driving. If anyone is from the sub road, they want to enter the road, I wait there and I will allow them to enter the road and let them go, because there is no hurry for me, nothing. I will go slow, no issue, I'll go ahead. But it's next time when I am in the sub road and I want to enter the main road, even before I ask the person, he will stop. He will tell me, you enter the road and go. Just small things where you can apply in life, and you can get back basically. Because why I'm getting that, I had given back before, same thing I'm getting back now. You are given love to someone, you are caring everyone, same thing you're getting back from others, basically. That's it. So always we tell, try to radiate positivity, love everywhere, because that things you are attracting like a magnet. If you're radiating negativity, you are commenting or judging people, same thing happens to you back like that in life, basically. So be very cautious in life with your words, thoughts, actions, everything. And in life, what example I want to share now? Example, some you are doing business, and and our thought is how it is. It is very limited thoughts we are having, and we have sold some goods to the customers, and our expectation how it is, we have to get the money from this customer only. Now that customer is not paying you, and you are not able to run the business. Your thought is limiting. Why you are expecting only you have to get from that place only? You want the funds to run the business. Funds can come from any place. Our thought is what? If I get the collection from this customer, I will can run the business. You can win lottery. Many things can happen. But our thought is, I want this to happen in this way only. You are giving this, something should happen in this route only. There are multiple ways to happen. Our thought to the universe should be the output. That's it. What you want, that you expect in life. That's it. Output. You want only finished good. That's it. That is your expectation. That's it in life. With or the thought to the universe. This I want. That's it. How you get that? It's up to the universe. You are not. You don't worry about the inputs or the processing everything. Only output is your concept. That's it. Here. You want building or you want new house. Your thought should be the universe. I want new house. That's it. You don't worry about how from where will I get the money. How can I arrange the manpower? How can I arrange the workers? This all is not your task. Your thought should be, I want new house. That's it. That gets manifested. Very simple step. Ask, believe, receive. That's it. You are asking, you are believing in the universe. That is full trust, and you receive it from the universe. That's it. And you should have widened thoughts, not limiting thoughts, limiting beliefs. Try to expand your awareness. That's very much important, because same thing author tells. And what you want, first thing you give out. That's it. You more you have to give that towards society. Help first, then you get back in life. Basically, this is what the author also wants to convey. That is the boomerang effect. Basically, he is telling. The key sentence here is, give out what you want most to get back in life. That's it. You are giving good everything everywhere, you are getting back same thing life. You are giving bad, wrong everywhere, you get back same thing life. So apply this boomerang effect in life. Basically, apply small things in life and go ahead in life. You can see wonders in life. That's it. Other people not tell you. Try to apply small things in life only, in everywhere, in office or the house, wherever you want. You try to apply small things and experiment. Because other, now I am sharing my experience. I am having full trust in it. When you want to have that confidence, you experiment it in life. That's it. I have prepared some food and having the food. I have eaten the food. I know taste of food how it is. Just if I show you the food, you will know the taste. You will not know the taste. Only when you have the food, you know the taste. Same thing. Now I have did my meditation. I am applying this logic, boomerang effect, whatever I'm telling you. You also try to experiment in life and check it how it goes. You would not take big decisions or big steps. You even for small works also try to apply. Once it is success, then you try to apply in the large scale. Basically, that's it. This is what I wanted to share about today's topic. Remember the boomerang effect. It is very much important in life, and try to apply in life, because Just by gaining knowledge, it is not sufficient. We have to gain knowledge and wisdom at the same time. Application is very much important in life. Practical to apply. That is success. Just by gaining wisdom alone is not sufficient. You have to gain the knowledge and wisdom and try to implement in life practically. That is very much important. Then only you get the success out of it. Knowledge plus application in life is success. Try to apply this boomerang effect in life and see the wonders and magics in life. Thank you, viewers. If you're having any questions, or you can ask me, or if you want to add anything, your wisdom, please you can unmute yourself and you can share about your experiences. Even you can share how was the meditation, everything, whatever you feel. You can just unmute yourself and just you can share your experience or your questions, whatever having. Just go ahead.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Sir. Yeah, meditation is good and feeling very comfortable as this thing. This is the usual practice and giving you the more strength. As you said, the giving to the others with our love effect and all those things will give you the more benefits, natural. Yes, it is true also.
Correct, sir. First you should give it, then you will get it
Yes.
back.
Yeah. Yes.
People think first I should get, then I'll give. That is wrong misconception. People many don't know the secret. That's the problem.
Yes. Even though it is very small, whatever mean we have to give and get. We should not expect, but it will automatically, universe, as you said, it will give us back in any of kind.
That's correct, sir. Good point to raise. Students, I forgot to share the topic. That thing, when you are giving, you should do without any expectation. Never expect. If you're helping someone, it's not like I'm getting help from this person future. That is not called as giving. You are doing like a business basically. It's not service there. When you're doing a service, you should do selfless service without any expectation, any return, nothing to expect from them. You have to give to them. That is the greatness. Not something get benefit from you. That is the business basically called. It's not selfless service. It is selfish service basically. You have to do selfless service. Don't expect nothing from the person. Just do wholeheartedly doing that shit. Universe will at right time you will get back whatever is destined to get back. That is sir, I forgot to share. Thanks for remembering that.
Yeah, thanks. Sure. No problem. Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir. Yes. If anyone wants to share, they can please unmute and just go ahead. Or any doubts also, you are welcome to ask. If you don't have any questions or nothing to share, I will just end the live on YouTube and then we can another 5 times whatever is available, we can just meditate for another 5 times. Okay, I will just end the session live on YouTube. Thank you, friends. Thanks for joining in today's session, and we will again meet on every Friday for the group meditation, and we'll come up with new topic on every Fridays. And I will give the schedule for the August month also. I'll just share in the WhatsApp group and everywhere for the schedule, whatever is topics I will be discussing in the August month. Thank you, friends. Please join every Fridays. Thank you. 1 second, I will end the live on YouTube. That's it.